In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Big Cartel store into maintenance mode. This quick and straightforward process ensures that while you're making updates or changes behind the scenes, your store visitors are greeted with a tidy and informative maintenance page. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all the different aspects of your online store, from managing products to handling orders. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll find several navigational options there. But for this task, we need to locate the Account button. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you manage various aspects of your store account, from settings to personal information. After you click Account, it's time to focus on what's below. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for the Shop Design section. In this area, you have the functionality to change your store's theme or adjust design elements. But what we're interested in today is a specific feature called Maintenance Mode. When you find Maintenance Mode, go ahead and click on it. This feature is perfect for those times when you're updating your store, whether it's adding new products, changing designs, or even doing a complete overhaul. By enabling Maintenance Mode, your customers will be presented with a maintenance message instead of possibly encountering confusing errors or half-finished updates. This helps maintain a professional presence and manages customer expectations during your update period. The next step is crucial, ensuring that maintenance mode is toggled to on. This is a simple yet vital action, as turning it on activates the mode throughout your store, making sure that your visitors know you're temporarily unavailable. Essentially, you're putting up a virtual Do Not Disturb sign while you're busy behind the scenes making enhancements and improvements. With just a click, your updates and modifications can continue uninterrupted without disrupting the customer experience. And there you have it. Your store is now in maintenance mode. This setup is really beneficial if you're looking to make significant changes without pulling your store offline completely or risking a subpar browsing experience for your customers. Once you've completed all your necessary updates, remember to toggle the switch back to off so your store can continue operating as usual. Customers will once again be able to browse and shop without any interruption. Thanks for tuning in today. By following these simple instructions, you've now got the tools to efficiently manage and update your Big Cartel store with minimal impact on your customers. With the maintenance mode, you ensure professionalism and smooth transitions. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your online store.